Hey guys, it's Quentin. We're in our neighbor's garage again, looking today at the Sears Craftsman garage door opener. And here's that button over there. This is lock, light. As you can see, there's no light cover. As you can see. And
I was watching the
okay, I got it. So now let's close it. Open it back up. It's still kind of loud. And their garage is still old.
School Nutrition Associations that are kinds of, we represented before the legislature.
And here's that light bulb over there. There's no light cover.
it's crazy.
Light cover is missing years ago.
Right. Yeah.
It doesn't have a cover. Yeah. They didn't make a cover on this one.
A lot of people said that and I was like, oh, because I testified, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
I just really wanted to turn the light off.
Oh, right. Yeah, I think they were like, I guess
Light.
like out the door.
Lights turned off.
Out the door, so the way the Capitol works is they have intersecting halls.
Right.
And the hall, they went out the back of the committee room all the way down to the end of the hall.
And there's a light bulb in there. It's not quite burned out yet.
Yeah, I know a lot of people.
Here's the Toyota Camry.
That I'm like, see,
I really love that car. It's silver.
it took like
They,
half or 2 hours for me
yeah, this is a rental car.
to go through. I was
They have their rental car for a lot of weeks. And yeah, this is a Sears Craftsman 1/2 horsepower. This garage is really loud.
The crowd that was against it.
And yeah, their Craftsman openers, it's still old, but let me turn the light back on. As you can see that light bulb in there, and you can see that light bulb in that cover. And that cover doesn't, but it doesn't have that cover in it.
Oh, right.
So, and this is an old car, and this is a new one. And here's the garage door. And their opener's old. Okay. See you later.